Welcome to LifeCycle Facilitation Services, where we are revolutionizing facility management for hotels, resorts, and multi-location restaurants with precision and efficiency. Our integrated facility management process ensures your buildings and critical assets thrive with a unified strategy for maintenance, repair, and replacement. We excel in managing all aspects of your service provider relationships, from sourcing top-tier providers, contract rate negotiations, insurance compliance, and warranty management. Utilizing advanced QR code technology, critical asset repair and maintenance costs, from roofs to electrical rooms, is meticulously tracked and managed. LifeCycle integrates asset-level visibility, spend tracking, and robust business intelligence into one comprehensive solution. Utilizing an automated service requisition platform that is accessible via mobile or desktop platforms. With 24/7 work order management and real-time financial reporting, transparency and accountability are guaranteed at every step. Transform your facility's longevity and operational efficiency with LifeCycle. Experience the synergy of qualified personnel, powerful technology, and a consistent approach, delivering lower overall facility maintenance costs. Choose LifeCycle Facilitation Services for a smarter, more proactive approach to managing your building assets and operations. Contact us today to learn more.